I want to cry when I say this, because I see brothers and sisters who are, mashallah, salah is there, they are on the straight and narrow, they follow Quran, they follow Sunnah, they are interested in the deen and so on. But the way they look at their own brothers and sisters is with the dirtiest of hearts. Their intention is to belittle. Unless you follow exactly what my sheikh says, you are totally out. I'm not going to sit with you, talk to you, eat with you, look at you, reply your greeting or greet you. My brother, what deen do you want? What type of communication of da'wah do you want? When Fir'aun was addressed by Musa alayhi salam, he went and he told him that Irsil ma'ana Bani Israel. We want you to leave Bani Israel, stop oppressing them, harming them, and send them. Then there was a communication. Who are you? Meaning, on what basis are you coming here? He says, I'm sent by Allah. Because he grew up in the same home. He grew up in the same home. Subhanallah. And then there was a discussion. He asked a question. Ma Rabbus Samawat? Or you know, Ma Rabbul Alameen? He says, Rabbul Alameen is the Lord. He sent me. You should worship him. Ma Rabbul Alameen? So he explained. Rabbus Samawati wal Ardu wa ma baynahuma. He says, look, this is who he is. He did not swear, he did not belittle, there was so much of respect. Then he was given a warning by Fir'aun. A threat. Even the threat was responded with a beautiful way. Then Fir'aun told him, what proof do you have that you are a Nabi? He says, I've got two things. Here they are. Few things given by Allah. It's okay. We give you some time. We plan. We want to see who's right and who's wrong. Wallahi, from that I learn a lot. It's a big story, but for the people in da'wah, it's always beneficial to look into these things. And don't be mistaken. I never would ask you to compromise the haqq you believe you are on. Never. All I'm saying is, don't believe you are the only one who is right because of an interpretation of your sheikh. Do you get what I'm saying? People ask me, who is your sheikh? My sheikh is the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wallahi.